Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Nathania. It's so good to have you here. I hope you enjoyed this Power Hour Clean With Me video. I'm going to be cleaning my master bedroom. It's needed a good clean for a while now and I've kept putting it off, so today is the day. I'll be straightening, dusting, vacuuming, and mopping while racing my 1 hour timer. It's full of cleaning motivation. I'm also doing a collaboration with my good friend Isabell, and I'll have her introduce herself here in a minute. So let's get cleaning. As you can see, my room's really a mess, so I'm excited to get in here and get this cleaned up. So I only set a 30-minute timer this first time because that's all the time I had at this chunk of my day, and I came back and finished it later on. So I did do a power hour, I just broke it up into 2 different chunks. I'm working on getting all my clothes put away or put in the hamper that have been laying around. So now I'm going to let Isabell introduce herself.
Hello everybody, my name is Isabell and I'm a mom of 2 from Germany with a Kiwi husband. While I'm not working, I'm doing YouTube videos as a hobby, and on my channel you can find all sorts of things around homemaking, from cleaning to cooking and organizing or decorating for the seasons. If this is the type of content you like, feel free to stop by and check out my YouTube channel. It would make me happy if you do.
Be sure to go and check out Isabell's channel. I'll have a link in the description box below. I love the cleaning motivation that I get from Isabell's channel, and I'm sure you will too, so be sure to go check her out and let her know that Nathania sent you. Thanks Isabell for doing this collaboration with me. So if you've come over from Isabell's channel, my name's Nathania and I'm so glad to have you here. I'm a wife and stay-at-home mom of 3 kids, and I share real-life cleaning motivation. I strive for a joyful house and share lots of ideas for how to bring joy into your house as well. I hope you will stick around and get some motivation today, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are into this type of content. If you've been to my channel before, welcome back. It's great to have you here. I would love it if you would comment below and go ahead and hit that like button if you're enjoying the video so far. I enjoy getting to chat with each of you in the comments. It really makes my day to know you like my videos, and it keeps me excited to keep making great content for you all. I'm just going to finish up getting this room straightened before I start dusting. It's amazing to me how much clutter gets put everywhere. So this is actually a car washing mitt that I like to use for dusting. It works so good. I got it from the Dollar Tree, and then I used some Pledge. It just works really great for me to just stick it on my hand and be able to get that dusting done super quick. I'll have all my cleaning supplies in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Everything was so dusty. It was gross. Like I said, it's been a while since I cleaned, unfortunately, in here, and you can really tell. I just love doing power hours because it really gets me motivated to move quickly and get things done, and I don't get bogged down with things that take a long time. Do you like power hours? Let me know in the comments below. So now I'm just going to get my vacuuming done. As you can see, the floor was also very dirty. Like I said, I share real life messes on my channel and my house gets very messy. So if you like this type of content, please join me. So I'm curious if you all have shoes that you wear in the house that you absolutely love and are super comfortable. For me, I have these Oofos sandals that are very comfortable. They're like walking on a cushion. I love them. You will pretty much always catch me cleaning in them. Wasn't that just gross? I had this emptied before I started. Yuck. Now I'm just going to give it a quick mop. When I'm in a hurry, I like to use this mop pad with a microfiber cloth on the top. And then for the mop spray, I just use soapy water with some essential oils in it, and it smells so good. My room smelled amazing when I was done. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that you all have a great week, and I will see you back here next week for another cleaning motivation video. Bye!